Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Fun for All. Today we are going to be doing marble runs. So I set up this marble run, but before we get started, smash that like button, I mean subscribe button, and give a big thumbs up. But before we move on to the marble run stuff, I have a couple of shout outs to give out. My first shout out is to Alden, which his full name is Christopher Alden Wood. Let's go, Christopher Alden Wood. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And then my mom actually subscribed, so booyah, Mom! Thank you for the shout outs. Now, let's do our my biz. So, every team is jumbled up right here. Let me show you the teams. They're sorted by color. So, let me do the yellow team. Team yellow, which is Team Banana. Although there is one little white, it's because we only have one white and we can't give it a team by itself, or else if it loses, its team is automatically eliminated. Then we have Team Green, which is also known as Team Line. And then the blue team is known as Team Blueberry. And this team is known as Team Strawberry, although it's mixed with a couple of orange. So, let me tell you what you want if you're voting for which team that you want to win. So if you want Team Yellow's team to win, I want you to share it with a friend. If you are wanting to do the Green's team, Team Green, which is also known as Team Green Line, save the video. If you're wanting to do Team Blue, then like. And if you're wanting to do Team Red/Orange, subscribe. Come on. Let's get this party going. So one person from each team will be taking place. So let me grab. So these four are competing. What is your name? This one is going to be Michael, Mitchell, PP, like the vegetable, and then Nana. Let's go! On your mark, get set, go. Oh no, the yellow gotten eliminated. Let's go. Let's grab Team Yellow. Sorry, Team Yellow, but it's time to say goodbye to this contestant. Bye. Yeah. So, Team Yellow, you're safe. You three others will make it to the finals. Well, to one of the next rounds. Now, we're gonna choose this marble, this marble, this marble, and that marble. So these 4 marbles are competing in the next round. Round 2, same tower. But this time, I think I know why yellow was eliminated.
Where did I get this money bag from?
Uh-oh. The yellow cheated. Let me put it back before I pick up the camera. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, my. Blue made it in first, actually. So, since Blue made it in first, we're going to do a rematch for these ones. On your mark, get set, go. Yellow made it in first, and Green's team is eliminated. Green's team is up for elimination. And you 3. I'm making it. Oh. Bye, bro. Hang on. I'm gonna. So sorry about that short minute pause of it. But now, Green's team. We have to say goodbye to one of you 4. I know the 5th one would get eliminated, but no, that one made it to the finals. So you say bye. Bye. So these are 2 eliminated contestants. Made for you. So we have you, and you. Three, 2, 1. I'm predicting that. Whoosh! Yellow, your team is getting eliminated again. While the other 3 of you guys are making it to the next round.
It's breaking!
Here are all of our contestants for a later round. Here are our eliminated contestants. Ooh. Now, we only have one yellow left, which is actually white. So white, you're on your team all by yourself. Then you're going, you'll go, and you'll go. These are the 4 marbles competing. One, 2, 3, 4, go. So blue actually made it in first, and white is eliminated. Bye-bye, white. Wow. Along with you other 3, you guys are going to the next round.
It's time to eat. It's time to eat.
Hang on, I'm gonna have to do a pause because I have to go eat. Sorry about the long wait. It's because my grandma had to make me eat, so so this right here is the last marble that's eliminated. So Team Yellow, eliminated. Well, actually, it's not fully eliminated yet because in this group, there's still 1 left. But right now,
My marble one. You broke it.
but here's our next 3. Like I always do, like I always do. On your marks, get set, go. Let's see. Blue made it in first, and green. Team Green is eliminated. Well, not fully eliminated, but most of it is. Now, we have 2 of these. So one of these 2 has to get eliminated. So orange and strawberry. On your marks, get set, go. See? OMG. This one right here is eliminated. Now, now we have to do these movies.
Like I always do. I'm walking in the bush like I always do. Like I always do. Like I always do.
Scramble up into teams by color. So then we can count who has the most members. The team with the most members is the winner. Let's start with Team Yellow. Oh, there's only 1 left. Yellow might be eliminated. And now Team Green. OMG, there's 1 and 2. That's higher than Team Yellow. And now 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll see right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Team Red is the winner! But in the eliminated ones, let's see how many of each team everybody is. The one with the least amount is safe. We're gonna start with Team Green. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Good.
1, 2, 3, and 1. Oh no, we only have one of that little one. Well, it's safe. So here comes Team 7! And for these two, all of these other teams with 3 are eliminated. Booyah! So, Team Red is safe! Along with these other marbles are eliminated. Sorry about all of those. Sorry about all of those pauses. My next video will be coming soon. Please be a great subscriber. Before we end this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And those of you who did subscribe for voting for this, you guys, your team won! Along with your like button, a share, and the save are eliminated! Thanks for watching. See you next time on Fun for All with Jennika TV. Bye!